key is to get a big
hole.
No, not very hole.
This is the exact opposite of yesterday.
A big loose hole.
Oh, yeah.
Easy passage.
Oh, well, come here, Julie. I'll show you.
Yeah. Hey.
Who needs keys? I got keys. I'm good.
Okay.
You have a beer? Gaping,
Oh.
wide hole. A wide, wet, gaping
Come up with a
hole.
new rope.
And then
Bobby, no chocolate?
you on a diet? And you drink from the hole.
Like I said, I was hanging out
Oh, what? What? It's beer.
Like that.
Alright, ready? Ready? Alright, are we ready? Alright, German girl, count it off.
In Deutsch.
In Deutsch.
Okay. Back on to, down to
3. From 3.
3, 2, 1, los!
God, that was the quietest I've ever heard this lot.
We've had a lot of seasons to practice. Good job, Yulia. Hey, let's get to Yulia for counting us off.
And that's shotgunning a beer.